The retail sector currently is in accumulation phase 2, characterized by price stabilization following a notable decline, signaling a potential bottoming process. While historical data indicates positive volatility and favorable reward risk and expectancy ratios, the current phase suggests caution regarding this retail sector XRT ETF. See the data on the article of the Wall Street Insider report. The U.S. retail sector emerges as a beacon of resilience. The sector has demonstrated commendable growth. This robust performance underscores the adaptability of the American consumer and the strategic prowess of leading retailers. In the upcoming retail calendar, we anticipate pivotal events. Quarterly results of major retailers, esteemed entities such as Home Depot, Target, and Walmart are set to disclose their quarterly outcomes, which invariably provide insights into the sector's vitality. July retail sales report, scheduled for release on Tuesday morning. This report is of paramount interest to analysts and investors. Preliminary data suggests a growth of 0.4%, a modest improvement from June's 0.2%. If you like this analysis and want to see inside our portfolio in real time, subscribe to the Wall Street Insider Report Premium. Thank you for listening.